everybody, One Man One Camera. Today is February 8th, about 2:20 in the afternoon, and we're down by the Circa. And what you're looking at right now is Garage Mahal. 1,200 vehicle parking space for the Circa Hotel and Resort by our good friend, Derek Stevens. All right, let's check things out. Haven't been here for a little while, and it looks like they are making progress. Check it out. They have motorbike. They have a lot of the, some glass, not a lot, there's some glass installed. And this baby is getting up there, you know? And then on the back side, we're on Ogden. Move this over real quick. You see they have put up some things here. And look at this, oh sugar, hang on. I'm trying to stay out of the sun. And look at this little curve right here. It looks like they are going to put something back here. Very nice. And this thing seems to be humming along because this is February and this is due to open mid-December this year, right? So they really got to crack on with this thing. This is making progress. I have not heard any stories about the lateness or tardiness of the work, them being behind schedule. So I can say right now, it looks like everything is go for mid-December. And it's going to be a cracking New Year's Eve party. New Year's Eve party, I can imagine. So if you're in town and they're selling tickets, I'd say get yourself down here for New Year's Eve and let's see what happens. All right? Let's keep on going and see what else we can see. All right, let's go. So right now we're on Ogden, and as you see, it's very cramped in trying to get a good shot because you really need a very wide lens. Everything's just so close together, I can't get a full picture of the structure. But we'll do what we can. All right, this billion-dollar construction, like I said earlier, is due to open in December 2020, just in time for New Year's Eve 2021. Now, it's slated to have, when it finishes completed, 777 rooms, but when it first opens, it will only have like 550 rooms or so. A gigantic sports book, lots of pools, swimming pools, and it looks pretty great from the renderings. You know? All right, let's keep moving. I'm on Ogden, a little east of the structure. Now you see the California is right here, and the street, and you see it's very difficult to capture everything on video, the whole structure. But the bits we can see, it does look good, yeah? More glass over here.
I am hungry, but I think I'll wait for that.
Maybe check out the stairwell right here. Da-dink, 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 da-dink. The tower ends right here, but the building continues on a bit more. I wonder what will be there, if anything. Maybe the AC units and that sort of thing. I don't know. All right, let's keep walking. All right, we are right next to the Fremont Street Experience, and this is the view.